everybody, welcome to Born Free on Two Wheels. Today we are going to talk about cluster failure in BMW 650 Scarver. The same problem we also see in the BMW GS 650. So this video can then help both models, because we have the same cluster but a little different motorbikes, but otherwise it's the same. When I bought my Scarver, it came to me with mistakes in the cluster. The kilometers and the RPM did not function. And I said to myself, what F-word do I do? I did not know what was wrong. So I went into the Scarver group in Facebook. I can tell you, if you have any motorbike, no matter what brand you have, join one of the Facebook groups who belong to your motorbike. It can be a goldmine for you, and what you know, you share with the others. I came up with this question: what can be wrong with my clocks and my digital instruments? They did not function. And quickly, some people responded me, one from Spain and I think one was from the United States, I'm not sure, that it was the capacitors. In Spanish it called the condensadores. I should change them. One said I should change one and one said I should change two, so whatever. Both answers was correct. So I went in and I was then looking after the capacitors, the condensadores, and found them in Amazon and ordered them, and then the travel began. This thing here is something you all can do. All you who have problems with your cluster can do this yourself. But it takes time and it demands you have very good hands. In this case, my fingers are destroyed for 34 years ago. I cannot use them very well, but I am a lucky man. I am married to a very sweet woman who can fix all those things my hands cannot fix. So we sat down together after everything was split off, and the travel began. So I will say, if you want to do this, look the whole video through. Otherwise things can happen to you and your cluster, and that's not good. And be careful. So let the show begin. Remember, you can support the channel via PayPal in the link in the front page, or you can buy me a cup of coffee in the link. Buy me a cup of coffee in the description. I like coffee.
another piece, this black piece here, down here. I want to push it. If I can be there with something to push it with this flat one. I'll show it to you.
To me? Yeah, with my dead fingers?
Yeah. No, I will show it to you, Tom, so you can see.
No, the glass? Or what?
To see this black piece from the watch, from this, sitting with the motor here. I want to put this one, no, not this, the flat one, and push the black up.
Yeah, it's the only solution, yeah.
Yes, if we can. This one for here. This one for here. This one again. I have pushed it from here.
Oops. Where's one?
This one for here. For speed or something.
Now, I hope you all watch this video very carefully. You must not jump one step. If you jump one step and you sit and do this yourself home, then you will destroy your things, what you are doing. So, watch the full video. We don't know how long time this will take, but it's the only way.
So much space. It's going, it's going, it's going. Yes, done.
Yes, done. So, here we have the plate and the condenser door you have sitting here, and there. And it has to be changed. Well, okay. Okay, what we have done here is we have changed two condenser doors. We have changed the one called 4716, and this one here is called, can you remember the numbers?
1150.
1150 is the big one. We don't know if it was necessary to, what can you say, change there's a big one, but for our own safety, we have changed them both. My friend Jose was here and he did it. So we are sure that now we don't collect everything and then in 14 days, then the other one burn off. It's a easy job, but it takes long time. Not to soldere, it takes 6 minutes. Now Jose, he is working slow, so it took him 7. But he's also Spanish. But Everything take, of course, time, but to split it off and everything, it's an easy job for my wife. She have good fingers. Now you can see how we collected all again. Enjoy and remember to see everything so you don't make any mistakes. If we make mistakes, then you can learn from us. Hopefully not. We have to be very careful because it is plastic, and if we break it, then we break it, of course. To see the same places.
The same distance.
And then we hope it functions after, of course. Time will of course show everything. If it functions, then we have saved 600 euro. A new plate with everything cost new 600 euro, and used in eBay or where you can find them, they take 300. It's a little different because the condensators, I cannot even remember what we paid for them. I think it was 4 or 5 euro for the box. And this other one, the big one, that was changed. I think it was something about 35 or 50 cents. So there's a difference. Even the mechanic have to have some money for open and close everything. Then then there's a long way up to 300 or 600 euro. If you understand me, I'm sure you do. But we could not find any mechanics who wanted to touch more than this. The plate and everything. We have been sitting, separating ourselves. No one wants to touch it. No one. So let's see how lucky we are. Done. Now this is collected, and let me see if the computer and the motorbike put those two to zero by itself, and then maybe everything will be good, and then we are happy. So that we will of course continue this video when we have collected it. Then we show you more. So what do you say? Come down with me in my garage and let's see we have collected everything, and let's see if it functions or what we have done is completely. Let's go down and check it out. Come on. Okay, the damn shit function. So I am very happy, and you have seen what we have done, and it is so much more fun when you can do it yourself. Then you can also laugh at the mechanic in BMW in English, because it's a thing they take a lot of money for. They are greedy, and it's an easy fix. And you don't have to buy a new plate also. So look at this video one more time if you have problems, and then try to do it yourself and save those money. I hope you could use it. It makes me happy that we have been able to do it for all of you. And thank you to the Facebook group. And you know, I will be back with a new video soon. Bye!